Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Rich. Today we're going to make dragonflies. Dragonflies are insects that have two sets of wings. They have a long body. They have 6 legs and two big eyes that take up most of their head. Today, this is what we're going to make. Dragonflies with their two sets of different wings right here. That allows them to go forwards and backwards, up and down, to one side, then to the other side, and then they can even hover. So they can maneuver all around when they're flying. And that allows them to catch their food. They love mosquitoes. And a dragonfly spends a lot of time over by the water. That's where you usually see them, ponds or lakes. And I mean, for the most part, they start out their lives in the water. So today, we're going to make dragonflies. And then you can take them outside and you can fly them up and down and all around, because a dragonfly's wings go around and round, and that lets them go any way they want when they fly. But if you had a bumblebee, it only goes up and down. So it doesn't go backwards and forward, it doesn't go up, down, and it can't stay in one spot. So what you're going to need for this project today is a pair of scissors, a hole puncher, some glue, some wiggly eyes. If you don't have wiggly eyes, no problem. Just cut 2 circles out of some paper and draw little black spots in there, or you can even just draw them on the face of dragonfly when we get to that point. You're also going to either need a straw, mine got a little crooked here, it's a stretchy, or a stick. I got this stick outside when I was raking, and I just took off the little branches. It fell off of one of the trees. You're going to need a piece of white paper and a piece of color paper, just a strip. So it can be used from what's left over scraps or a half. It's whatever you have hanging around. And you're only going to need about an inch of this. So for you, it's probably like half the thumb size. So we're going to cut a strip. So we're going to cut all the way up this long side, the long side of the paper. And you're going to go as straight as you can, all the way up. It's a little crooked, don't worry about it. Straight all the way up, just like that. You see it? Okay. Now, your next part is, now we're going to fold this piece of paper, which is going to be totally awesome. But you're just going to fold it in a little square. See how I did a little square? Okay? So for me, it came like half a piece of a finger there. So you're going to fold it out, and then you're going to fold it back to your body, so it's equal. See how it's equal? Then you're going to fold it back out like an accordion. Back into your body, out again, into your body, fold it, back out again. And you're going to have this long piece here, and that's okay. That's what we want that. So when you're done folding, it should look like this. It's like an accordion. It goes in and out, and it has like all these little hills or these little mountains in it. Okay, you're going to squish it all back up. Whoop, got away from me there. So you have it like this. You have this long piece hanging down. You're going to get your hole puncher. You're going to go right in the middle. You might need a little help from this. You might not. It's kind of hard. I'm going to press down really hard, see if I can get it. Ugh, I can't get it. So I'm going to do it in 2 parts. But you could ask a grown-up to help you, because when you are all done, hold on, let me finish punching it. Oh, that really, you should be able to see right through it. If you hold it up to your eye, you should be able to see right through it because they all line up. Now, I'm going to use the stick. You're going to get your stick, and you're going to put it right through that hole, just like that, all those holes there. Okay? Oh, I did it the wrong way. You don't want to have the short part out. You want to turn it so the long part. So the first part that you're going to stick in is going to be the short part here. It's going to be the short one that goes all the way through. So the long part will hang at the end. Okay? And you can make it push down a little. How's that? That's good. Okay, let's keep that there. Let's get your glue stick ready. Okay, I'm going to uncover my glue stick. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take this long piece and we're going to roll it over and glue it right to the top of this first one here. Okay? It's going to go, I'm going to put some glue right on this part here. Okay? I'm going to roll it over like a little circle. And I'm going to hold it. And we're going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it should look like this. See how it has a circle there? Has a circle here. Okay. Now you can spread them out a little. That looks awesome. Next part. On here, we're going to glue our 2 googly eyes. Or the 2 eyes you made with white paper. Or a third thing. You can just, whoop, it came off. I got to hold it longer. This is rich. Or you can draw them on there. Oh, maybe I wasn't pressing hard enough. You know, that happens sometimes. So I'm going to put some more glue on the front here. I'm going to just put a line right across there. And I'm going to put my 2 googly eyes. Because the eyes of a dragonfly are huge on its head. And I guess he needs them so he can see all his prey. And I would love to have dragonflies around. Not only are they beautiful to look at, because sometimes they're bluish or greenish or even purplish they seem. And their wings are so shiny. They're just so pretty to look at. See, I glued my 2 googly eyes on. Next, we're going to put this down and we're going to cut our wings. But our wings on a dragonfly look a little different than wings from a bee or something like that. So you're going to take your paper and hold it the long way, the white one. And you're going to fold it down so that the 2 bottoms meet, the bottom and the top. And those corners meet, okay? You're going to go all the way up in the middle, pinch. Then you're going to slide and slide so that you have a nice fold. Okay. That fold's important because we're going to use that. You're going to get your pencil. Now, dragonfly wings are like a long, skinny oval. So that's what we're going to draw here. Let me see. Do I have something? Yes. I'm just going to lean on this for a minute so that I can show you. So I have my paper here, and I'm going to go down and up. Can you see that? That was my long, skinny oval. I'm going to cut one out because when I get this one all cut out, and I'm just going to cut straight. I'm not going to worry about, you know, if it has a couple squiggly, bumpy lines. I'm not going to worry about that. I'm just going to go straight. So when it's done, it should look like this. Okay. But I want you to fold it back over because I'm going to have you hold it down, and we're going to trace this one. So you're going to just trace it so that it's the same exact one that we have. Okay, my friends, we're going to trace it. Go ahead and do that. I'm going to do mine. You do yours. I have to see what I'm doing, unfortunately. Okay. I have mine all traced. Do you have yours all traced? Okay. Now we're going to cut this one out. Again, the best cutting you can do, watch where your fingers are. You don't want to get them snipped because that can hurt. Okay. So now you have 2 wings. You are going to get your fine, fabulous dragonfly. And do you see how you have right after your dragonfly's head, there's the first bump here. We're going to put a little glue right in the front here, and then on the other side of the mountain, or the bump, a little glue on the back. And that's where we're going to, Mrs. Rich, where'd you put your glue stick? There it is. That's how we're going to put our wings on. So, I'm putting a little glue on the front, okay? And I'm going to put my wings, and I'm going to put that piece right in the middle there, right on top. But you know that skinny piece that was in the middle there? Right like that. Can you see? And I'm going to hold it. I'm going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Now I'm going to turn it around, and I'm going to put some glue on the other side of my dragonfly. See how I did it on the other side where the wing is? Same place, just on the opposite side. And I'm going to hold it there too. Another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when you look at him, can you see him? He has wings on one side and then wings on the other side. Okay. Then you can spread out his body because he's a little long. And are you ready? There's your dragonfly. He's all set. So I hope you had fun making this quick, easy, fun dragonfly. I have a bunch of dragonflies that I've been making. I've been having so much fun having dragonflies, and they're having friends and stuff. So when I go outside or friends come over, or my daughter comes over, or my son, well, not really anybody these days, but when they do, I'll have dragonflies for everybody. I had fun. I hope you did too. See you next week. Bye-bye.